Hey Royals, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette, so we're jumping straight into this video. As you can see, I am styling my mom's hair today. So I had this idea to do this nice long ponytail with curly ends and some pieces of hair left out. And of course, my hair is not long enough for that yet. I did recently buy Microlocs extensions, but I don't know how to install them yet. I still have to brainstorm and figure that out. If you have any ideas for me on how to install that without individually attaching it to each of my locks, although that might be my only option, let me know down below. So the first thing I want to do is section my mom's hair off into 2 ponytails. She has a lot of hair, so it took a while to pull the hair through, as you could see. After that, I was just going to put in some flexi rods. And as you can see, I'm just wrapping it from the top and going it all the way down because I wanted a spiral effect. I'm just going to keep going and finish that entire side. After I'm done with that side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The reason I'm using flexi rods is because they are longer than perm rods, so it's a lot easier to get all of her hair onto the rod. Okay, so while you watch me put my mom's hair on these flexi rods, let's chat for a second. So I will be traveling for the next 2 months, so after this video, you will not see an upload from me, sadly, but I'll be back, God willing, around June, maybe July. Hopefully not July, but I'm going to be taking about a 2-month break because I will be traveling. So just keep that in mind. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Josette Bianca so that you can keep up with me there. That's pretty much where I'm the second most active. Okay, so once I got to the front pieces, I used these soft rollers. They're made of cloth, nice and gentle, and I just rolled them the exact same way that I rolled the flexi rods, the hair onto the flexi rods. And that's pretty much it for this. My mom is gonna sleep on these. Once they're dry, I will take them out.
Oh, good. See how long these have to be. Taking my time getting it up.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I don't want to take that out. Wow. Crazy.
Okay, so it is the next evening, I believe. Yeah, it's the next evening. My parents were getting ready to go on a plane, traveling to New Orleans. Is it New Orleans or New Orleans? Or am I just saying both of them completely wrong? If you're from New Orleans, let me know down below. But yeah, they were doing a little weekend trip to New Orleans. So I was just styling my mom's hair before she got onto the plane. So I'm just gently unraveling all of the hair off of the rods, and look at that. Isn't that crazy? The curls are so defined. My mom never does flexi rod curls. She always does like braids or twists. So I love curling her hair because it's so much fun. And this makes me, this makes me look forward to my long hair. Obviously right now I'm really enjoying having short hair, but these curls made me look forward to long locks again. So I'm pretty much just gently unraveling everything, and after this I'm going to show you how I style these curls. This is a really low maintenance, low tension hairstyle as well, so definitely try this. Even if you have like bra strap length locks, you can do this too. If you can get your hair into a ponytail with a nice amount of hang time, then you can do this style. Thing I want to mention is that I did not use any products. I only used water to spritz her hair, but she had just washed it, so it was already damp. That was just to make it a little more wet so that the curls would hold. But look at those front pieces. They are so defined. My mom also didn't want me to separate the curls, so they were left intact, which was a really pretty effect as well. It was like a mermaid type effect, but these would be really nice separated too. Next, I just pushed the hair to the back because this style is all about doing a low ponytail with curly ends, which is why I didn't even bother curling the entire length of hair. I used a small section of my mom's hair to cover the scrunchie because I felt like it looked a little bit more sleek. You can do an even bigger piece if you want to cover it more. And then you can either use bobby pins or just tuck it into itself, and it should hold. And that is it for this look. It popped into my head and I just wanted to execute it. I wanted to do it. So this is how it looks. And now we're just going to get into some music and some slow-mo of my mom's hair. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.